Hey everyone! Today I'm going to explain rainbow towers, those colorful, eye-catching structures you might have seen in some science museums or online videos. It's simpler than you think, so stick around and let's break it down. A rainbow tower is a fun way to demonstrate the concept of density. Density is basically how much mass or stuff is packed into a given volume. Different liquids have different densities, and that's the key to making a rainbow tower. Common choices are honey, corn syrup, dish soap, water, vegetable oil, and rubbing alcohol. Each of these liquids has a different density, which means they'll naturally stack on top of each other without mixing if you're careful. Start with the densest liquid at the bottom, usually honey. Pour it slowly into a clear container. A tall glass or a vase works well. Next up is corn syrup. To avoid mixing, gently pour it over a spoon or down the side of the container. After the corn syrup, add dish soap. Make sure to pour it slowly and carefully, just like before. You should already start to see the layers forming. Now, it's time for the water. Add a few drops of food coloring to the water before you pour it in. It makes the layers even more vibrant and, well, rainbow-like. Next layer, vegetable oil. This one's a bit tricky because it's clear, but if you watch closely, you'll see it forming a distinct layer finally. Add the rubbing alcohol, pour it gently, and there you have it, a beautiful rainbow tower. Now you know how to create your own rainbow tower and understand the science behind it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy to understand science explanations. See you next time. Bye.